Hey Pinky, can you send me those wedding photos?
Sure, I have archived them in my computer.
Oh, how did you do that?
I will show you how. First, let's understand what is archiving. In simpler terms, it means to store electronic information that you no longer need regularly in a separate storage for long-term retention. For example, you have lots of photos. Then you put them into separate storage in one bundled file. This is called archiving. Now let's see, why is archiving necessary? Let's say, a research company generates a lot of research papers every year. In that case, they should use archiving to store research data in some storage, to access those data for future work, whenever needed. If they do not archive these data, there is a chance to lose it, and all their hard work will be lost. Another use is legal requirements of data. For example, banks or courts may need companies' old data for legal proceedings. Third use case is data security. By archiving necessary data securely, the company ensures the data security from unauthorized third parties. Another question is, how to archive? There are several commands used to archive files and folders for Linux operating system. Let's understand tar command. It is a Linux command. It stands for tape archive. This is a snippet of man page of tar command. Let's run some of these commands and understand them.
Let us now see the basic commands that we can use for tar file in Ubuntu. Here I have created a trial folder whose original size is 13 MB. Let us now open the terminal. Here I have changed the directory to desktop. The basic command that to make a tar file is given below. cvf. Here C means to create a tar file. V is required to display the progress of the output, while F specifies the file name. These are the flags that are required. Now the name which we want to give for the tar file, I will give tar folder .tar and the original file name. Yeah. So as we can see, it is the original file is now archived to .tar file, whose subfiles are also listed here. Now let us see the size of this tar file. So for seeing the size of the tar file, we use the following command: cf, then the name of the file, it is trial folder.tar, and wc.c. Here wc.c is required to see the size of the stats that shows the number of bytes of the file. So as we can see, the trial folder just archive the file, it does not compress the file. So to compress the file, we need another command, that is tar.tar.czip file. But first of all, let's see how to extract the original folder from the tar file. First I will remove the trial folder. Okay, now let us the basic command that is used here is tar I should use this file, this one, and here we just replace the sc with x, that means to extract the file. Now here we can see that the trial folder has been extracted from the given tar file. As I said earlier, that to compress the given folder, we can also use tar.czip file extension. So for that, the command is use this The flags here are C, B, Z and F. Then the file name that we want to make, the trialfolder.tar. Here note that the extension here is gz.tar.gz, and the original name of the file folder is this. Now we can see the trialfolder.tar.gz has been also archived. It also used earlier. Just we can change the name of the file, folder or file. Here we can see that the size of the new .tar.gz folder 5,93,920 KB. So it definitely compressed the original folder. Now let us see the how to extract the original folder from the .tar.cc command. First I will remove this, and we use the nearly same command. Instead of here we use X. Okay, so as you can see, the trial folder has been extracted. Now here we can also use many other commands such as man tar to see what all flags or what all commands that we can use for the different various commands.
Let's see why is tarbomb created. So, generally, when you untar a tar file, a new directory should be created for its content. But, if you untar a tar file where there is a file or directory having same name, it may result in overwriting them. As in given case, there is already a CS stories folder, and so when I untar csstories.tar, it overwrites the existing folder, adding a new text file to it.